These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Oh, that will be 5 wide. He got it all wrong. Missing his line there. Wide signaled. By signaled. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Oh, he's clubbed that for a 6. That's a great hit. No ball called. No chance for any fielder to cut that off. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. That was a stunning shot. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a 6. Tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Good fielding, saving crucial runs for his team. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Last ball coming up. Well, the batsman sees that one early, gets into a great position. Got it from the meat of the bat. Pace bowler into the attack. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call good effort by the fielder. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Up in the air. Loose shot, and the fielder pulls off a beauty. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. This will go down as one of the best wins after a tournament that has thrown absolutely everything at them. This is their moment and they deserve every bit of it.